Hello, this is our first video about how to operate ERP software for generating export purpose documentation. First of all, we will start our software by clicking on this type of icon. It will be available on the desktop. You have to double click on this icon. I'm double clicking on this icon. After double clicking, this screen will appear. Here you will give your username and password. After giving username and password, you will press submit button, and if your password is okay, you will go to next screen. Otherwise, it will give you the message that there is some problem with your username or password. I am retyping my password and submitting again. Now password is okay, and the next screen appears. This screen shows that which module I have access. Only those module icon will appear on which you have access to use it. I have access to 4 modules. Number 1 module is configuration. Here I can create new user, control users access, and this is human resource module. Here I can handle attendance, analyze attendance and salary processing, bonus, overtime, etc. And this is account module. Here we will do all accounting, and this is the main module for you. This is export documentation. In the next video, we'll see how to open export documentation and do the next working. Okay, thank you.